it's Miss Parnell. I just wanted to show you real quick how to make an activity book. At home, if you have some paper and a stapler, you could just make your own journal, or if you have a journal at home, you could use that. I've titled mine Activity Journal, but you could design it however you want. When you open it up, you can make different activities on each page. I love to do I Spies, so I drew a picture and I made it very detailed, and then I added the symbols in to find. On this one, I wrote sentences: find the triangle, and then I have the triangle, find the horseshoe. And as you can see, here's the horseshoe, here's a bird, an apple, a frog, glasses, and many other things that you can find. It's really fun to do this at home. You could draw it and then make your family members find it. On this side, you can make it as basic as you want or as detailed as you want. This one's more basic, so I just put a key here. I have a sun, fishing pole, fish. So then I'm gonna come up here and draw a ocean scene. And see how this fish right here has lines on its tail? Well, what you're gonna do is put a bunch of fish in there and have different little symbols on their tails to kind of confuse people, and only make one with that tail, so it'll make it harder to find. So try this at home. Have fun doing it.